In this video, we're diving into two of the most talked about options for business banking right now, Bluevine and NorthOne. Both offer online checking accounts, solid features, and slick apps. But if you're a small business owner trying to pick the right one, the question is, which one actually gives you more for your money and your time? What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions without getting lost in the fine print or flashy marketing. Let's break this down together, feature by feature, fee by fee, and find out which one might be a better fit for your business. First impressions. What are these banks actually offering? At a glance, both Bluevine and NorthOne look pretty appealing. They don't charge those annoying monthly maintenance fees that you get with traditional banks, and they both offer interest on your account balance, which is rare for checking accounts. But the more you look, the more you notice that they each lean into different strengths. Bluevine is all about giving you tools to organize your money, like sub-accounts, invoicing, and accounting software integrations. It feels like they're trying to build a full financial system around your business checking account. NorthOne, on the other hand, feels like they're laser focused on making banking fast and easy. Their mobile app is sleek, they offer cash back on spending, and everything just feels smooth. It's the kind of account you can run entirely from your phone without thinking too much about it. Interest rates. Who pays you more? Let's talk APY. That's the annual percentage yield, or in plain English, how much money your money makes by just sitting there. Bluevine gives you 1.5% APY on balances up to $250,000 with their free standard plan. But there's a catch. You have to either spend $500 a month on your debit card or receive $2,500 in customer payments to qualify for that interest. If you don't meet that requirement, no interest. If you upgrade to their Plus or Premier plans, you get 2.7% and 3.7% APY respectively, and those don't require any extra steps to qualify. It's honestly one of the best rates in the country for a business checking account. NorthOne offers up to 3% APY on their Plus plan and 2.5% on their standard plan. But to earn interest, you also have to maintain a positive balance and spend at least $500 per month with your NorthOne debit card. So yeah, there are some strings there too. So who wins here? If you're going to keep a large balance and you're willing to upgrade your plan, then Bluevine can offer a better return. But if you want simplicity and a slightly lower APY without juggling sub-accounts or business tools, NorthOne holds its own. The fee situation. What are you really paying? Now, on the surface, both banks advertise $0 monthly fees, which sounds great, but let's peel that back. Bluevine's standard account has no monthly cost, but if you want the better interest rate and extra perks like more sub-accounts or priority customer support, you'll need to go with their Plus plan, which is $30 per month, or the Premier plan, which is $95 per month. Those fees can be waived if you hit certain spending and balance thresholds, but it's not automatic. NorthOne keeps it a bit simpler. The standard plan is free, and the Plus plan is $30 flat. No waivers, no conditions, and that $30 gets you access to everything. Better APY, free wires, free same-day ACH, and cashback rewards. It's kind of like going all access instead of picking and choosing what you pay for. Also worth noting, both banks charge for cash deposits through Green Dot, which can cost up to $4.95 per transaction. So if you handle a lot of cash, you'll want to factor that in. Debit cards and spending perks. NorthOne really leans into spending perks. If you use their MasterCard small business debit card, you get the following. 4% cash back on hotels and restaurants, 1% cash back at gas stations, and instant virtual cards for you and your team. Expense tracking built right into the app. And there's no limit to the cash back, and it's automatic. You don't have to enroll or click any buttons. You just swipe and save. Bluevine also offers cash back, but only if you apply for their business credit card. That one gives you 1.5% back on every purchase, which is nice, but you have to qualify for it. It's a separate application. If you're just looking to earn while you spend with your debit card, then NorthOne is the clear winner. Tools, features, and day-to-day use. Now, this is where these two banks really start to feel different. Bluevine feels like it was built for people who want more control over how they manage their business cash flow. You get access to sub-accounts that act like digital envelopes, which is perfect for things like taxes, payroll, and setting aside money for a big purchase. You can even create automatic rules that move money between those accounts as well. They also give you unlimited invoicing, payment links, and a nice dashboard that ties everything together. If you use QuickBooks or other accounting software, you can sync it up and keep things organized without a lot of manual work. NorthOne, by contrast, is more like the fast, mobile-friendly experience. Their app is easy to use and has all the essentials: transfers, bill pay, mobile check deposits, and even real-time transaction alerts. You can issue multiple cards, lock them instantly, and track who's spending what. And honestly, their accounting integrations are solid too. You can connect QuickBooks, Wave, Zoho, and more. It's just that they don't try to turn your bank account into a full financial platform the way that Bluevine does. So, if you're someone who wants automation and control, then Bluevine might feel more powerful. But if you're just looking for speed and simplicity, NorthOne might be a better vibe. Getting paid and moving money. Let's talk about the actual mechanics of running a business bank account. How you get paid, send money, and deal with deposits. Both banks offer same-day ACH transfers, wire transfers, mobile check deposits, and payment integrations. But there are differences. NorthOne connects directly with platforms like Stripe, PayPal, Square, and even Amazon. That means you can get your money fast, and in some cases, even instantly. It's super clutch if you run an online store or freelance business. Bluevine's invoicing and payment link tools are powered by Stripe as well, and they make it easy to accept payments from your clients. Plus, you can send professional-looking invoices right from the dashboard. Now, as for check deposits, both allow mobile deposits, but Bluevine has had some reported issues with delays or limits, especially if you're not the admin on the account. Just something to watch out for. Lending and credit access. Now, when your business grows, there's a good chance you'll need access to capital, whether that's to invest in inventory, cover payroll, or ride out a slow season. Bluevine offers lines of credit up to $250,000. The application doesn't hurt your credit score, and you can get a decision within 24 hours. It's built right into their platform, so it feels like a natural part of your account. NorthOne also offers up to $250,000 in funding, but only if you're already a customer. They partner with a company called Canmon to issue the loans, and you need to have a NorthOne account that's in good standing, a FICO score of 620 plus, and at least $2,000 in your balance. So yeah, both have lending options, but Bluevine makes it easier to apply without being a customer first. Support and customer experience. Now, nobody wants to deal with customer support until they absolutely have to. But when that time comes, it matters. NorthOne has a solid reputation for quick, helpful support. Their team is based in the US, and most people say they get a response quickly during business hours. The downside? They're only available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern. No weekends. Bluevine offers phone, chat, and email support during business hours, and if you're on the Premier plan, you get priority service. Now, some users have complained about delays or confusion when Bluevine changes banking partners, but overall, they're responsive. Now, if you want to get started with Bluevine, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. That'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and just click on Open an Account to get started. And like they like to say, you can power your business with up to 3.7% APY and FDIC protection up to $3 million, which is awesome. So to get started, again, all you need to do is click the link down below in the description and click on Open an Account. Now from here, you're just gonna need a couple of things to get started. Your entity type, which you can select from a drop down here. They accept corporations, general partnership, LLCs, LLPs, LPs, nonprofit corporations, and you can even be a sole proprietor. Then you just need first and last name, email address, mobile phone number, password, and a referral code if you have one. So again, if you want to get started with Bluevine, just click the link down below in the description. Now, if you're leaning more towards NorthOne, we'll also have a link for you down in the description as well. And that'll bring you to this page right here where they boast about their 3% APY with the NorthOne business interest checking. Again, all you need to do is click on Get Started to get started. From here, all you need is a business email and a password. A little more simpler than Bluevine to get started. Again, if you want to get started with NorthOne, we have a link for you down in the description below. So which one is right for you? If you want a more robust banking experience with higher interest, lots of budgeting tools, and the option to apply for credit or send invoices, then Bluevine might be the better fit. But if you want something that's super easy to use, rewards you for spending, and connects quickly to the tools that you already use, NorthOne could be the way to go. Either way, both are strong options that beat traditional banks in a lot of ways. Now, let me know which one you're leaning towards down in the comments. And if you've used either one, I'd love to hear your experience down there as well. And again, if you want to get started with Bluevine, NorthOne, or any other products that we recommend, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.